Okay, so this is our mystery candle demo, and we're still looking at the air, and in this one we're going to be looking at the air that is inside of a jar, just a regular old plain jar that you would have at home, and we're going to put it, we have it in a pan that has some water in it so we can actually see what's happening with the air as the air expands, as it heats up, and contracts as it cools down. And you can see it become more dense and less dense, and see what happens. You'll know that the air is expanding because when we put the jar over the candle and the air inside heats up and expands, you'll see bubbles coming out. And then we want to watch and see what happens. The candle will burn the oxygen that's inside the jar, and so that will be burning up that oxygen, using it as fuel, and then we want to see what happens when the air inside becomes cooler. There we go. So bubbles. Candle's burning the oxygen. You can see that the candle begins to burns out, and then the air begins to condense as it cools off and contracts, taking up less space. All the molecules are in one space, and it pulls the water up into the jar.